Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this bitmap of a basketball with flames on it, and you can tell it's a bitmap because the bounding box. I've already traced it, and it looked pretty good. But I thought I'd show you there's a font on DA Fonts called Flames, and all you have to do is go to DA Fonts and get it. And I picked this one right here, and I downloaded it. Just go to DA Fonts and type in Flames. So let's go back to this. And I typed out, you know what? Let me show you that. Pretty cool. So I have a lowercase part of the alphabet. I want to see what the caps look like. So I'm going to make a duplicate of that and put it down here. And then I'm going to go to text, change case, uppercase. And now I didn't have to type those out. Now what I can do is go to that Flames. And there's my capital letters. There's my other letters and the smaller letters. And you can see they're quite a bit different. We're going to use this one right here. So I'm going to do just like a text. I'm going to Control K to break it apart so I can get just that one. We're going to use this basketball here. And evidently it's a bitmap. So let's trace it real quick. Let's go to Outline Trace, Clip Art, and this will trace pretty good, I would think, and move it over. I'll always take a yellow box, go up to Object, Order, back a page to make sure there's no white, and you can see the white of the clip art and the non-white of here. So we have no white. Now, how do we incorporate this flame kind of like this, where it's actually going around it? It's really pretty easy. So let's take the new basketball and hit P, and we're going to take an ellipse bigger than the basketball and hit P. That'll keep it off the ball when we do this. This is a text, so I'm going to go to Object and convert it to a curve. I'm going to make it quite a bit bigger now, and I'm going to rotate it where it'd be coming off the ball. And now all I have to do is, because it's a vector now, I'm going to left click no fill, right click outline. And I can actually take this, I'm going to angle a little bit more, and I can put it into the ball like that. And you could go wherever you want it. Now, let's see what our nudge factor is. This thing is quite large. Let's make our nudge factor 20. And let's nudge, we don't have to do this yet, but I'm going to nudge the ball. Well, I can nudge that back. I'm going to nudge the ball out of the way. I'm going to put my circle back, and I'm just going to use the Smart Fill tool, set on black, and fill that in. And then when I nudge it over, it looks like it's going around the ball. Pretty cool effect. And it's pretty good. This flame isn't perfect. It's got some sharp air nodes on it. And but what we could do, if you have this X7 or above, you can get the smoothing tool. You just see how really quickly just go around. I mean, I'm just clicking the mouse. You know, I'm not doing anything. Now that might be taking away a little bit from our roundness of our basketball, but within just a few seconds, you can have that smoothed out and have you a basketball. Looks like it's going through, I guess, a hot shot. Take a yellow box, go up to Object, Order, back a page, and you have a good, clean vector. And you could extend this around. You know, I could have taken this and made it wider. And this would be probably the best time to smooth your thing out. But you could make it quite a bit wider. And you could actually do that. And then take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And of course, you'd have to fill that in. And then nudge those out of the way. Let's nudge them all the way over. And then take your basketball So you could have two different kind of look. Anyway, I hope that answers their question, and thank you for watching.